Hello and welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'll be attempting to solve 6 Wordle variants as quickly as I can. But that's not a good start at all. We've not got a lot of information there. Okay. So it could either be, if the equals isn't correct, it's either going to be something times something equals a 3-digit number, or we're going to end up with a 1-digit number after potentially some division, but we can't have subtraction, which makes me think that a 3-digit number is more likely. Oh, I was going to do 16 times 8, but we haven't got a 2. 16 times 6 is not big enough. 18 times 6. No, we've just established that's not big enough. Sorry, I'm trying to work out what would give us the answer of 108. That's 54 times 2. That's 27 times 4. So it's not divisible by 8 anyway, which doesn't help. Because it's not 27 or 54. We've used up those digits. So, I mean, we could just do something that's unlikely to be correct. 80 times 8. It does check all the remaining digits apart from 1. Let's try that. So there's no multiplication and the equals was in the wrong place, which means it probably is just going to be division. So, I mean, there still could be addition. It could be 4 plus 16 over 8. That's consistent, I think. Oh, so close. So 4 plus 16 over 4 equals 4. No, equals 8, sorry. Oh, so I was on the right track with the 16 times 8 because there was lots of factors of 2 involved, powers of 2, sorry. But yeah, got there in 4. Could have been worse. So let's try the by Nerdle. That is pretty unhelpful as well. So that second one's got a 9 in it, but it can only also have 1s, 4s and 6s and 0s. And there's no minus. So 46 plus 44. I don't like using so many 4s, but there's a limit to what we can have. Okay, so the plus is correct, but not in the right place. So, something plus something plus something. 6 plus 4 plus 9. Oh, the 4 was correct. That was a careless error. Right. So what have we been doing? The first one's also got only 1s, 4s, 6s and 9s and a single 5 somewhere, or potentially multiple 5s. But there's only, oh, it's going to be times and divide. That makes it a challenge. So 54 over 9 times 1. It's probably going to be divided by 1. And the 6 and the 9 could be the other way around as well. Oh wow, didn't expect that. I think there was a 1 in 4 chance at most that was correct. Wow. I'm very surprised, pleasantly surprised by that. Okay, so here we've got they call it the instant Nerdle, but obviously it's more like a speed Nerdle. Oh, something times something minus, oh no, it's not going to be minus 4. 15 minus 2 times 4 does equal 7. I've solved it in under half a minute. Surprisingly quick once again. That was quite a difficult one, I think, with the minus and the times being in positions that weren't your first instinct, or weren't my first instinct anyway. Right, now let's see if we can solve the speed one just as quickly. Probably not. Let's go for addition. So we'll do 24 plus 61. That gives us all different digits apart from the ones that we know are there. Wow, okay, that was quite close. So let's try 22 plus 66 just for the symmetry. No. Oh, we already knew there wasn't a second 2. That was a silly guess. But it has to now be something with a 0. 27 plus 60? Oops, equals 87. Helps if I type the right number. Oh, this could be 29 or 20, I think. Let's try 29 first. Oh, huge penalties. I should have just gone for the 0 first. At least I got it correct. 6 guesses. That's the longest it's taken me to get any of them at any point, pretty much. Not my finest, but still fairly quick. Quicker than the other day's one, I think. Let's finish with something hopefully relatively simple then. I don't know why I'm trying high digits. It's much more likely to be something using a 1, because with a 1 you can have 12 divided by something, or you can have just something plus something. There we go. Completely unhelpful. Okay, well let's go with the 12 minus 8 then. Oh, there isn't a 1 or a 2 either. So it's going to have to be division. And there can't be 40 divided by 8, so it has to be 40 divided by 5. Phew. I didn't feel like I was getting anywhere very quickly, but third guess is never a bad thing on this, I think. Right, and this time I am going to go back to the 12 divided by 4 just to use up some low digits, because switching it up has not helped me at all today. Whereas it's helped me quite a lot to go back to the low digits on this one, at least on that second one. What have we got on that first one? 8 plus 7 perhaps? Something plus 8, it could be 9 plus 9. In fact, it has to be 9 plus... No, it can't be 8 plus 8. I think it has to be 9 plus 9, but there might be a possibility I'm missing. But there we go. Okay, thank you for watching. I think, again, that's the quickest I've solved all of them, but it felt like I struggled with 1 or 2, but there were no big multiplications or divisions to trip me up. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye for now.